Hey there, this is how you can easily and quickly change the Mazda 3 2014 to 2018 key fob battery. This will save you a lot of time and money. All you need is a mini screwdriver and a CR 2025 battery. You can get them on Amazon. I've left a link right below this video. So as you can see, I've used a little lever there to pop out the spare key, and then I use my mini screwdriver here to pop open the case. I pry it open here very gently, and then it should pop open like this, and then you slide the little screwdriver along the side of the key fob and slowly twist until the case pops open. So give it a little bit of work here, it'll pop right open. Once it's open, you just need to take the cover off the battery, the CR 2025 battery. Then you just take the battery out and replace it with the new battery. Make sure that the plus is facing upwards and towards you. So you put the new battery in here, slide it right into place. All you need to do is put the cover back onto the battery. Then you cover it back up with the case, and then you're good to go. It's that simple. It saves you a lot of time and money and not needing the dealership to do this all for you. So you clip it back closed like this, put the replacement key right back in, and then you just need to test the fob to make sure it works, and you should be good as new with a new battery in your key fob for your Mazda 3 2014 to 2018.